Z-Rod. Alright, hop in. Don't scratch my wheel. Giuseppe, what are you doing?
I'm not happy with you.
Why not?
I am not happy with me.
What?
Because you left the car outside last night.
It's alright, it's alright.
It was flurrying this morning.
It's alright out of here. It needs to be painted and everything. What's the big deal? You gonna do the oil change?
Say goodbye to your oil.
Please, that's the oil I bought the car with. Throw it out.
It needs some trans fluid.
Uh-huh.
And you know, this is not carbureted.
You gonna do this oil change or what?
Yeah.
He doesn't do good with the cold weather at all. Yesterday we were doing stuff outside, trying to get caught up. I don't know what a good example is. I'm not a fence guy. And he's over there saying, it's cold, my fingers are green, I can't do it. It's too cold. It's too cold.
While I was saying that, you know where he was? He was saying the button saying, you gotta do the top screw.
I was in the
In
car.
the bottom. Oh, okay.
I wasn't cold. You gonna do an oil change for me?
Only say please.
Jack it up, please. And what else? You got some other things. You got a power steering leak, right? I think I need shocks. Shocks, Giuseppe.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
That's a Mark 5, 6. Mark 6.
VI is 6, VII is 7, VIII is 8, VIII is 9, VIII.
No. VX. No V. X is 10.
VX.
VX is 15. Yeah, XX is 35.
Yeah.
Come on. What are you doing?
Well, what I'm doing is I can't jack it up from the A-ring because the drain plug's in front of the pan in the middle.
Oh, it was crooked?
And it was crooked.
Alright, go ahead. How many what? How many drain plugs you got?
I got 2.
There should be 2, because of the shape of that pan, you ain't getting it all out with only one.
Right.
Drain them both.
You gotta put the hands upside down. And then that happens.
Go smash it.
So here's what we're gonna do. Check this out.
Oh, for an oil change. Hey, Speedy! You done? You're good. Let's go. Let's do it.
Alright. Now when you do an oil change,
Alright.
you gotta take your jacket off because it's very uncomfortable.
It's warm in here, isn't it?
It is warm in here. Hey.
What's up?
Hey.
You know the guy at the junkyard?
Yeah.
I was talking to him, he might have a car for you. He said it's a green Maverick. He says, come, they told him, our finest gifts we bring. They want you to honor him, little baby.
What?
He said that he's a poor boy, he has no gifts for the car.
I'm so confused.
He says this thing's so clean, it's fit to give to a king. Mary nodded.
Who's Mary?
The lady that works there. The ox and the lamb kept time. I played my drum, I played my best. Rum-pa-pum-pum. Then he smiled at me and said, how you doing?
What?
Hey Leroy, can you explain it to him, please?
Why is she singing a Christmas song? On the first day of Christmas.
No.
Is that not? We gotta do the oil filter.
All right,
Like
careful.
this.
You good?
Open it nice. Now, when I go put that on the shelf, guess what's gonna happen?
Throw the box out. Look at Leroy's face. $10.40. Here, give me your old ones.
Got something happening here. See how it says it's overfilled?
Yeah,
That's
when
good.
you started,
That's very good, because when you go started,
it's gonna be right on the money. Crank it for a little while first. Don't let it fully start up. Circulate a little bit of the oil because it's an older car, you know what I mean? Okay, you can start it now. Sounds good too. It was, you know something? The engine was noisier before.
it was.
Am I crazy here or what?
When it really warmed up. When it warmed up, it was a little.
Am I crazy here? Am I crazy here? I'm crazy here or am I not?
No.
It's quieter.
It is.
What do you mean? Am I crazy here or am I not crazy?
No.
What am I? Thanks for the oil change, bro. Thank you for the oil change. You're gonna cry. I'm trying to show appreciation, trying to be more positive. That's my New Year's resolution. I'm trying to be more positive. Get up off the floor!
Spot. You are right on the money.
There's the line right over there. I'll show you. Oh, right there. My Guinea Mobile is all ready for the road.
How happy are you?
Take it over the world.
One set of oil changes on an 82 Lincoln Continental Mark 6 at a time. VII.
How they do?
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.